Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to activate and use guided access on your iPhone. Guided access is a built-in accessibility feature that allows you to lock your iPhone into a single app and control which features are available. If you've ever handed your phone to someone and they accidentally pressed a button or navigated to a different app, then you'll definitely want to learn how to use this handy feature on your iOS device. But before we move on, we would appreciate it if you'll like and share this video so that it will also help others who might be needing the same information. Now let's get back to our topic. To enable guided access, open your iPhone's Settings app by tapping on the gear icon from the home screen. While in the Settings menu, select Accessibility. Then scroll down to the Learning section and select Guided Access. Review the quick overview of the feature, then flip the Guided Access switch to turn it on. You can also set a passcode that will allow you to exit guided access when you're ready to use your phone normally again. Now that guided access is enabled, you're all set to try it out. To start a guided access session, simply open the app you want to use, then circle the areas of the screen that you want to disable, such as buttons or links. Then tap Options and disable any of the given options. You can also turn off touch input completely or limit touch input to certain areas of the screen. Once you've got everything ready, click the Start button. If your iPhone doesn't have a home button, triple-click the side button instead. Doing so will bring up the guided access screen. You can also use Touch ID or Face ID to start guided access. To exit guided access, triple-click the home button or side button again and enter your passcode. If you didn't set a passcode, simply press the N button in the top left corner of the screen. You can also use your Face ID or Touch ID considering you have it set up on your device. And there you have it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more relevant content. Thanks for watching.